It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you around to see the best mews in London. These historic streets date back hundreds of years and they've been used for everything from falcons to horses and cars. They're truly special parts of the UK capital, and today they're known for their beautiful houses, cobbled streets and more. I can't wait to show you around and take you to my favorites in London.
Kensington is home to some of my favourite mews in London. In fact, Kynance Mews is my all-time favourite London mews. It's beautiful in the spring with the wisteria and in the autumn with the foliage, but there are lots more around it that are worth a trip too. My free self-guided walk in Kensington will take you around to the best of them. You can find the full route and map on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Notting Hill is another great place to find mews in London. St. Luke's Mews is one of the most famous. The pink house in it was used in Love Actually. There are a lot more around it too, so it's worth exploring. Again, there's a self-guided walk on my blog you can use to find the best of them. Fitzrovia isn't known for mews, but Warren Mews is one of the prettiest in London. It's worth a special trip to the area to see it. South Kensington is another great place to find mews in London. Stanhope Mews South was used in Kingsman, and there's a lot of great mews around it too. Again, my self-guided walk in South Kensington will show you the best of them. Up in North London, Belsize Park has lots of pretty mews as well. From ones with elegant archways to ones with unique houses, they're great to spot. You can use my blog post about Belsize Park to find my favorites. Marylebone isn't necessarily known for mews, but there are a few gems in the neighborhood. My Marylebone walk will take you to the best of them. Pimlico is another area with lots of pretty mews. Some are tucked away through arches, so make sure to look out for them as you're walking down the street.
Thanks for coming around London's Mews streets with me. I hope you enjoyed the tour and I hope you found some favorites of your own. They're great places to explore, and if you want to see the best of them, you can do my self-guided walks, which you can find on my blog, aladyinlondon.com. They'll take you to some of the prettiest mews in London. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Thanks for coming along with me.